Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get inside the hidden submarine in Heartopia Call of Whales event. It's a fun little trick that lets you explore the inside and take some cool screenshots. Let's get started. First, head underwater through the usual underwater portal. Once you're in the ocean, look slightly up and to the left. You should notice a glowing light in the distance. Swim toward it and you will eventually find the submarine. Normally, you can't enter the submarine because the entrance is blocked, but there is an easy glitch that lets you get inside. Take out your drawing board and hold it in your hand. Place it close to the side of the submarine. Then press the button to start using it. Once the drawing board is active, begin drawing anything on the canvas. It doesn't matter what you paint. After that, exit the drawing board and float upward. If you've done it correctly, your character will collapse through the submarine and end up inside. Now you're free to look around and look around the interior and take as many pictures as you want. Okay guys, and that's how you can get inside the submarine in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.